Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this nice modular sofa that ends up being about 5 foot wide, and it comes with an ottoman, and it's a very classic design. So it does have some very nice nail features on this, some very decorative features, came packaged extremely well. I wanted to kind of show you, it came in 3 boxes, took out all the pieces from the boxes, it has the arms, all of the cushions and everything are packed nicely in a nice vacuum sealed in here, so we'll have to cut those open to let those plump up. It does have all your feet pieces, which are a nice wood feet piece, and it does have the hardware here associated with, which provides you with all the tools that you need. So you don't actually have to have any extra tools, which is a huge plus. I do enjoy that. It does come with a nice set of instructions, which gives you very basic, detailed instructions on how to put this together. I don't think it'll take that long, probably about 15 minutes, so it's not going to take very long. This is a beige color. We're going to kind of install it here in our sunroom, so thank you guys again for sending it. I'm going to go ahead and get started on taking this apart and kind of show you how easy this is to put together. These wooden legs are really nice. They've actually spent a lot of detail on these, which is a really nice quality leg, and it does have a nice screw on the back of there. They did even provide little covers to kind of keep it from poking into anything. So to install those legs, very simple. You're just going to use this little plastic washer that's provided. It's kind of as a lock washer on there. Remove that piece and simply insert and turn. We're going to put all 4 of these on this ottoman, and then I will flip it over. The cushions themselves came out very nice. They were actually double bagged, which is great, so that they didn't come apart during shipping. They will take up to 72 hours to fully plump, so obviously they're going to have some small wrinkles and things like that, but once it sits for 72 hours, that will all come out, and it'll be nice and plump. We've gone ahead and put together that ottoman. Again, super easy to put together. The rest of this thing is actually going to go together just as easy. There's only 4 pieces that you have to put together. There's the seat, the back, and the 2 arms. And the nice part is, all the hardware they give you, everything is the same. There's no way to mix it up. So they're all the same length bolts, same washers, and they provide you with the Allen wrench. So pretty idiot proof. Really like the fact this is going to be super simple to put together. So we're going to go ahead and get some of these bolts put out. The first step is just going to be to attach this seat to the back. So we're going to use some washers and we're going to use some bolts. And using that provided Allen wrench, we're just going to go ahead and put these through here like this, feed them right through the provided holes into the existing holes back here. They'll lock right into place, and we'll put this together. Got that piece attached on super easy. Now this one here is just going to slide this little locking mechanism into this piece here. Then there's a couple bolts that go on there to hold the arms on. Once we got these arms screwed on, it's actually just simple as doing the other part. You're just going to find the holes and crank these feet down on there, and then we'll get it set up and put the cushions on. As a nice optional feature, they do send you with these felt pads with adhesive backing so that you can stick them on if you wish. If you're going to be hitting this on carpet, maybe not necessary, but if it's going to go on hard floor, it is nice to know that they do provide those as a nice added bonus there. Now keep in mind this sofa does hold up to 300 pounds per seat, so you can hold almost 1,000 pounds over the course of the whole thing, so it is very sturdy. Let's go ahead and get the cushions on here. So you got everything put together. It's not that heavy to move around. Again, with those pads that you can put on there, you do have a lot of different versatility, and they do provide you with these little pillows that you can put at the corners or utilize however you see fit on that. So it is a pretty easy assembly.